Sir, I had a crazier question. How much would you sell all the music, the pedals and all the, like,
if you sell that, you would
if I wanted to buy them all? A lot of stuff here.
Oh yeah, where are those? Are they down?
What's going on, bud?
Hey, how's it going?
I watch your videos.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Thanks, man.
But I mean, you know, you got random people saying, hey, what's up?
No,
man?
I
What's
think
up,
I
man?"
saw you in Carrier Apex, right?
Yeah,
Like a couple weeks ago, yeah. Harmonica? There you go. Learn something new.
Ruby, where you right? There you go, right?
We just, I've been out, you've been up since early. I thought 5 o'clock I was out here. I saw the light on up there. I saw that.
Was it? Do you see them all in there?
I don't think it's a Blu-ray.
A lot of them.
My job.
Blu-rays won't normally like this.
You used to love.
I'm getting that.
That's intense.
While I'm to 5, I got up and made makeshift tables right quick. I have more stuff I could sell later, but
Indoor one.
Little mini song machine. That's kind of fun. Hot Wheels. Is it full? Get a grave digger plush.
Thank you very much. You have a good one.
Good luck, guys.
Have a good one, man. You too.
That's a cool dinosaur. Turn around. Sorry.
Yeah.
Never ending story.
yeah, I'm getting ready to shower and go. Then get set the heat all day. You already paid me online.
Have you seen it?
Put photos, I have that stuff too. But I couldn't put it in the
A
car.
bunch of stuff here.
Done, right?
I think I'm done, yeah.
To play the harmonica.
I am, yeah. So what do you think on all this stuff? Don't want to break that. It's glass.
There's 22. You want to go 21 or 20?
20. Your math was incredibly fast.
Well, 10, 14, 15, 16. I went like 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Okay, 22.
said a buck, yeah.
So 20 bucks? Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine. I hadn't even looked at all the prices, so I was like, how did she do that so fast? Metal detector.
John,
20
metal
bucks.
detectors?
Huh?
Here you go, man.
Thank you. You need a
Thank you.
second
Yeah,
here.
they're 15, but
Yeah, if you got a little bag, I'll take it.
yeah, we got lots of bags.
You want one or
Thank
both?
you.
2 for 20.
2 for 20. 1 for 15. That's a bargain.
Yeah, right?
You want, you gotta take both, 20 for both.
There you
not
go.
one.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah. You have any tools? Huh?
Tools.
Both of them for 20 bucks. Oh, tools? No, not yet. I will later. I didn't have it.
What's up? How's it going? Shark. see. $8 for that. I'm probably gonna buy it. Make some money on it.
I'm strong. Oh yeah, I shouldn't
Yeah,
put that
there you
either.
go.
Yeah, I'll take it out.
You guys get that shark
Yes.
thing for $8?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, enjoy. She
Thank
used
you.
it one time and she didn't know how to work it.
Really? Okay.
How much are your DVDs?
Alright. That's intriguing. Christmas is coming. Is there on stuff on here? Wow, that's cheap.
Yes, very much.
How much is this stuff?
5 each one of them.
5 for each one? How about 3 for each?
My son is in college. And we have to pay for the dorms.
Okay.
That's the reason why I'm selling them.
Gotcha. Let's see.
25 for everything is not a bargain.
Yeah.
5. Hello. Good morning to you, sir.
The lawnmower isn't part of the sale.
The motor is messed up. I talked to a mechanic. He says he will fix it for about $75 if it's not something major. If it's something major, it might be more expensive.
Gotcha.
He says that he can fix it for $75 if he opens the motor. And he's a member of our church, as a matter of fact. But I tell you what, that's all I know.
Okay.
If it happens to be the motor, it might be, the motor is about $500, so
Yeah.
it's something that a mechanic should have to consider.
Okay. All right. Appreciate it.
All right.
Nice chairs.
You can take it out of the box.
Marantz. Oh boy. Marantz is a good name.
My granddaughter coming every day.
How much is this one?
My husband knows.
Okay.
That's for a 40. Caliber 40.
You take it out of the box, please?
Sir,
Why would
how much is your Marantz?
$20.
20.
Yeah.
What about this?
Let me see what this is saying. Whoa. 30.
30. Okay.
summer camps?
How much are you going on? 5 each one?
Sir, I had a crazier question. How much would you sell all the music, the pedals, and all the, like,
If you sell that, you
if I wanted to buy them all?
You tell me. You tell me. I'm open to suggestion. Believe me, I'm not crazy. You mean everything right here?
Yeah. Yeah. It's like 150.
175. I'll be content. 25 bucks more.
175. Okay. Yeah, I'll do it.
All right.
I'll do it. I think your prices are good. I do. I might have only like $10 bills though, so it might take a minute. 10,
No
20,
problem.
30, 60, 70, and then I'll try to find a 5
Alright.
for you. You're clearing out my wallet
I'm
though.
not sure if you're interested. Yeah, I'm not sure if you're interested or if you know somebody who might be interested in a snake.
Yeah, it'd be more my brother. I could call him.
And I have a lot of wires, all kinds of wires
Oh wow.
for
Yeah.
guitar, piano,
Jeez.
you name it.
What do you use this saw for?
If you go right about the church, I'm the
Okay.
pastor there.
I was thinking it might be for a church or something. Yeah.
But
okay.
you know, once the blue moon, we kind of changed everything,
Yeah.
and everything.
So you
works
updated the
perfectly
whole
well except-
system?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's how it is.
All right. Cool. Well, take a chance on stuff. I think it's gonna be fun.
You might need some help.
I don't know if you have a box or anything. If not, I can just take a couple trips.
It looks a bit more complicated.
Are you electronics?
No, it looks like it's like a little kit for a car or something. So what are you asking for this?
Sorry, let me put some
Oh, okay.
tape over here.
Thanks.
That's what it is, probably more complicated with the kit.
Well, let's do it.
You do a couple dollars for this?
Give me 3.
I'll be back for the rest. Oh, thank you. Yeah, just so. Let's see, you think? Oh yeah, I got it. Lighter than I thought. Yeah. You will? Okay, I'll be back. What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them? I'll come back for that too.
For 15 years.
Wow.
Pastor of the Hispanic
Oh, okay.
and associate pastor for the Anglos.
There you go. So 3 apiece for 5 of them?
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. Yeah. You guys have good luck with your sale. Yeah. Thank you. Oh yeah. Hey everyone, Dave the NC Picker here. Hope you guys enjoyed coming to those yard sales with me. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you know anytime I release a new video. I'm constantly pushing out content that I think you guys will enjoy. Also, I have another channel called NC Flipper where I just talk about the struggles, like more like vlog style in the garage. Struggles of reselling, what sold, me shipping things like that. So if you're interested in that, check it out. I found a bunch of really good stuff and I'm gonna make a ton of money off these sales you saw today. I've listed a lot of that music equipment that I did with that big buyout. I actually was walking away because I thought his prices were too high and I decided to go back and do an offer on all of it. And just that one black and orange, what was his name? Black and orange pedal I got sells for around $150. That Marantz dual tape deck sells for like $125. Those little black, I don't even know what they are, honestly. I'm not into musical equipment that much, but the little small black aluminum things I got, I had 5 of them. I sold them all for 10 bucks a piece, so 50 bucks there. Now I paid $175, so I paid up, but I knew that just one of those big pieces like that Marantz piece would get me all my money back, so it was worth it for me. But I also got a bunch of speakers that listed for 50 bucks a piece. I think all told, I should pull in, I also got 2 monitors I haven't listed yet that are worth like 80 bucks a piece. So I think all told, from that buyout, I'll probably bring in around $600-700, maybe even a little more, because I also listed all those little bags, those little cord bags, and I've already started selling them. You know, I sell like 2 of them for like 10 bucks, basically, but that adds up, and I had a ton of them. Yeah, so like here's a speaker, for example, that I listed for 50 right there. and that one looks like it sells pretty often. And then these are the bags I'm talking about, where I did 2 for $10, and I've already started moving those. So a lot of really good profitable items. As far as the toys go, that she ended up seeing, bring down to $3 a piece for me. The 2 Barbie things were the best. The car, I think, sells for $54, and then another one of the Barbie things sells for like $30, and then the other 2 toys were not great, sell for like $10 each. So I will bring in good money from the toy buy as well there. Yeah, just a ton of great stuff. I bought a harmonica, wasn't worth anything. Don't buy that little harmonica kit if you see it. Also struggling to find a comp on the Gravedigger that I bought. The little slot machine thingy that I bought at that first sale, that thing sells for like $20 pretty regularly. My kids have been playing with it, but I am actually going to list it probably today so that I can get it sold as well. And I got some little dinosaurs, and the dinosaurs were decent. That green one sells for around $15, and the red one we listed for $12. So, you know, little money makers here and there. I did actually look up that vacuum that I bought on the way out. It wasn't like a vacuum, it was like a dust thing. I don't know, by Shark. And that looked like it sold for like $60. That's why I went back and bought it, because she was only asking $8 for it. So I knew I could make some good money on it. Anyways, when all is said and done, guys, there's a good chance I almost clear $900 from all these sales, maybe even a little more. Great hauls, really had a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below. Have a good one.